Okay, so what did Laura and I see underwater this week? We saw a longhorn cowfish, which belongs to the Ostracidae, which are the cowfishes or boxfishes. And these are fish which are encased in sturdy bony armor plates. And they in turn belong to the Tetradontiformes, which is a order of fishes which includes the pufferfish and the triggerfish. So they have these powerful fused teeth, two on top, two on the bottom, hence tetra, four teeth, donti, teeth, Tetradontiformes. Now, interestingly, these are clever fishes. Sometimes they blow into the sand to get small invertebrates from underneath, and very interestingly, normally they swim when they swim slowly with a undulation of the anal fin, but when they want to swim faster, they use their caudal fin, the tail fin, and they jerk this fin and then they can make much more headway. These are quite obviously highly intelligent fish. You can tell how they interact both with each other. We saw two of them during our dive, and how they interact with divers. So they gauge you, are you a nervous person? Are you dangerous to them? Or are you just hovering there with your camera? And then they really get used to do. So there is clearly a type of perception of the fish's environment which is not so often seen in fish. I used to keep other Tetradontiformes. I used to keep freshwater pufferfish in my tank in Japan, and I could very easily tell that these were intelligent animals with a developed perception of the environment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next week.